This is Alan Ackles. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. You've got a new product. Now it's time to think about how it connects. Sounds like a job for Northwire. Headquartered in Osceola, Wisconsin, with an additional production facility in New Mexico, Northwire manufactures custom cable solutions for today's most demanding applications. Why buy custom cables? Because customers shouldn't have to settle for standard off-the-shelf cables that don't fit well, which may compromise performance. Northwire's application and design engineers become an extension of their customers' engineering teams. No matter how complex the cable, retractile, or assembly, they'll design a solution that best suits your requirements. Their medical-grade cables are designed with biocompatible materials to meet USP Class 6, ISO 10993-5, and ISO 10993-10 test guidelines, and are free of latex, phthalates, and halogens. For assembly plants, device failure means profit loss. That's why Northwire's flex cables are designed to handle the twists and turns of production. These industrial-grade cables are ideal for motion control, automated assembly, and robotics. Northwire keeps transportation of all types moving with rugged and reliable connectivity, where failure is not an option. Northwire's expertise runs in commercial vehicles, at construction sites, and many other demanding environments. Northwire's CSA-qualified test facility per ISO 17025 and quality management system certified to AS 9100, ISOs 9001, and 13485 standards will ensure your connectivity solution meets the quality and safety requirements of your device. Additionally, Northwire agency compliance engineers establish compliance with UL and CSA listings. Find out more by visiting their website, northwire.com. This is Alan Ackles for Manufacturing Marvels.